What's up, fam? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. Thanks for checking in on your boy. If you haven't, go check out my last video that I just put out yesterday. I did the review on the Jordan 1. I like these, man. The Tar Heel edition. But that video is uploaded, so if you haven't, go check that out for me. Now today, what I want to talk about is a sneaker that y'all slept on. And the sneaker, in my opinion, is super dope. I can't believe y'all slept on these. So today, I am reviewing the Airmax 90 OG Viotechs. Man, these sneakers is clean, man. How did y'all sleep on these?
Down in that snowbank. I didn't know where I was. I didn't even know who I was. And I remember squinting because I was being blinded by this bright light. Couldn't see a thing. And when I finally opened my eyes, I saw Jesus.
Sneaker Notes. Let's get into the review.
You know the vibes. Sneaker Notes if we talking about kicks. You know the vibes.
Yeah. So once again, thank you for checking in with your boy Sneaker Notes, man. If you haven't, right down there, hit that subscribe button, knock that notification.
A few moments later.
Yeah, man, this is a dope sneaker. I don't know how y'all slept on these, man. But before we get into the review of these, you know what I want to know. I want to know what you rocking on foot. So right here, this is the part of the segment of the video where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below and type what you rocking on foot when you catch this video. It don't matter if it's day of, morning of, night of, next week, next month. Just go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you rocking on foot today. Being that we talking about the Airmax 90 OG, I decided to throw on an OG pair I got. So today I'm rocking the Airmax 90 Safari Jungle. They call this a lot, man. But one of my favorite sneakers. Not favorite Air Max, not favorite Nike. Favorite sneaker, period. Definitely top 10 for me. So on foot today, I got on the Airmax 90 Safari. In the comment section below, let me know what you rocking on foot. And back to these super dope Airmax Viotechs, man. Let's get into the full review of this. But before I do that, I haven't checked in with y'all with Supreme in a long time. So this is the last thing I got from Supreme. You already know it's the Nike headband Supreme. Super dope. I'm looking forward for week 2. Week 2 supposed to be crazy. That's what I'm looking forward to. But enough of Supreme, enough of what's on foot. Let's get into the review. Airmax 90 OG Viotech 2.0. Let's get it. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Bingo. Very, very rare you see someone reviewing a sneaker that comes in a box like this. Very, very, very rare. But Nike Classic box. It reads Nike Air Max 90 QS. Size 10.5. Y'all know it belongs to me. Flip open the lid. And let's do your left shoe since that's the one that's out right now. Shout out to my Connect sneakers and stuff for the sneakers. I had this sneaker actually way before I had the Jordan 1 Tar Heel joints, but I couldn't believe these still was sitting. But let's bring it up here, man. Get y'all 360 of the sneaker. Super dope, man. I mean, every dope color we would want in a sneaker is all together. So you start with the toe box. First of all, the whole sneaker is nubuck suede. The whole sneaker. Right here, your toe box. Nice, not navy, more of a royal blue. Nice, super soft royal blue. Wrapped around it is red. You know, whenever red and blue mix is beautiful. But then right around that comes your purple. your Laker purple. You know I'm a Laker fan with your Laker gold right there. Right here you have a lighter yellow swoosh check that kind of blends all the colors in. And then this red here and this green here kind of gives me like Puma Spectre vibes a little bit. Right on the back, you got your Nike Air branding logo right there on like a rubbery material. Down here you got your, classic back of the Airmax 90 right here. I don't know what this material is, but if you know what it is in the comment section below, let me know. Right here, solid white air bubbles wrapped around your yellow. Also classic Air Max design. Nothing changed. White air bubbles there. Air Max logo in that yellow. Only thing I could say I don't like about this shoe, I guess they ran out of colors, so they made the tongue all gray. It doesn't hurt the sneaker, but if y'all should have just did black if y'all felt that way. But all gray tongue comes with your gray shoestrings. I'm mad this sneaker don't come with more shoestrings. Like the what I got on foot today, the Air Max 90s, those actually came with a lot of shoestrings. Take the tissue paper out. The inside is black with another yellow Nike Air logo. So basically all the logos are yellow. You got yellow there, yellow logo there, and the yellow logo there. But it's that yellow that can possibly pass for orange. Because see, that's orange, that's yellow. This right here is like a mango tangerine. It can go either way. The bottom, Phoenix Suns, orange, purple, super dope. Now let me get the other shoe and make sure everything adds up. Boom. Yeah, man. Everything adds up on the shoe. Maybe they should have did a what the kind of theme vibe. It probably would have sold more. But at a $140 price tag, I don't see why this sneaker is selling out. Now, y'all know I like to play devil's advocate, so I figure, A, they didn't sell out because why would these come out at the end of summer when these are clearly a summer sneaker? Figure if they came out June, July, April, May, they would have sold more. But that's one of my theories. In that comment section below, let me know why you think these are still sitting, and do you think they dope or not? Again, I don't want to talk to y'all too long. I never do. Just want to get the gist of things, man. Check out these Airmax Viotech 2.0s. They only $140. These are a dope sneaker in hand. Trust me, you know I wouldn't lie to you, man. I'm your boy C-Notes. Everybody, get rich.
Win. They call me Notes, capital C. You know I dot my I's and cross my T's. Ain't hard to find, you looking for me. You know I'm in the hood like Italian ICs. Ready or not, you know we moving. Folgers in my cup, the flow is brewing. Too much wins, tell me how we losing. Iceberg on neck, but yet we cruising. Ballin' in LA, no Lonzo. My Spanish connect, get him to me pronto. Beef with me, I get you smoke Fonto. The tool got the long nose like Gonzo. I bring the lokes out. Got loyal bloods, never speak what we spoke about. I know the vibes. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks. I know the vibes.